ladies and gentlemen, it is I, SNL, and today we're doing yet again another puzzle box, or another puzzle, not necessarily box. It is a puzzle box, however, though. In the last video, we solved the Cat Snooze puzzle, so moving on to this one. It's handcrafted, the Romanian puzzle box. Alright, so here it is, handcrafted Romanian puzzle box. Little star on the side. The wood's nothing like too crazy to be honest, but yeah, I'm gonna read a little description for it. It is a level 7 puzzle box, and as I mentioned, it is Romanian. It's a small handcrafted wooden puzzle box which comes in black. It's different colors. I got purple. There were other colors as well, but uniquely designed box made in Romania. It's said many times. Please note that there may be slight variations in dimensions and all that stuff. There's one review on this, and it's 1 star. And but apparently the box broke first time they used it because of poor crafting. So let's hope we don't break it. It does seem kind of cheap, to be honest. It's $30 and $80. I definitely don't think it's worth that, but could be interesting. Okay, so right here, I already noticed this middle piece moves. The other ones do move though. Nothing else. It seems to be all that we have to work with. I can see what he means by it breaking, but I feel like it's just because he pushed it up. It's definitely easy just to push up, but obviously there doesn't need to be any force really applied. Break it. Well, we just figured it out. That was very, very simple. That's it. Needle, though. It's up there. And there's the key. There's a little keyhole in there. And there we go. We have it opened up. There's a little mirror in there. Yeah, what's up, man? A little foam. Little padding. Pretty neat. So I guess we'll assemble it back. Do that. Slide that. So that little thing that was moving with this key all along. Slide the key back in there. Push it up. Slide this underneath. Pop it back. And there we go. That's the puzzle box. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I'm SNL, and adios.